Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're back with another YouTube video, and today we're back at Woodward. Gonna ride some more park. I got my GoPro this time so I can get some POV shots, and yeah, let's get going. It's probably gonna be my last video for this year, and then I got a sick New Year's vlog coming for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I actually don't have my GoPro. I left the SD card on my computer, so I just have my camera. So let's start going.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I see you. These days I don't work out much. I think we should have some more fun. I still think days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hoods, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, face yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
Totally didn't just fall off the run. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know, man.
This is sus. We're here, Woodward, me and Steve, and him. All right, here's your vlog.